Hello friends, this is Sagarjon from SG Creation and sorry friends, I apologize that I have not been able to upload any tutorial since 2 months, so I apologize for that. And no worries. So today I am coming back with something really very good. Actually, today I'm start a new third-person shooter game project, and so a lot of people ask me, why don't you make a third person shooter game, please make some tutorial, why you discontinuing your tutorials. So I I come back for you guys. So today I'm start a new series. So here what we need, of course, our lovely Unreal Engine first of all, and second, we need some animations, and I use in this tutorial Rifle Anim Pro. If you don't have, don't worry, you can use Unreal own anim set pro assets sorry animations, same kind of animation, left right, walk forward, walk back. So I I mainly use left, right, forward, back animation for this, not every kind of. And if you don't, then it's okay because it's not too expensive. You can buy this from marketplace, and I use Movement Pro also because Cobalt Movement Pro is very good, and I always use this in my projects. So, and if you have your weapon, it's okay. I use military silver pack, which is also come from marketplace. You can buy this from Unreal marketplace, and we use sound, military silver pack, it's included its own sound. So that's it. What game we create, we create a single player game, of course mission based game, or we can put some zombies, AI, and AI bot kind of enemy, like terrorist. You can call them terrorist. We can kill zombies or we can kill bots also in this game. I I teach you both, and of course game mode. What player can select? Of course, player can select zombie horde mode, or player can select of course normal level to level type of system, like a player can choose a level where a lot of terrorists around there, and it can kill all the terrorists and mission is over, and it will teleport to the another mission. So that kind of thing we will create in this series also. Game feature player can do, of course, I focus on in player controller, not root motion controller, of course, because a lot of people uh, don't know that what is a root motion controller, and root motion controller is a quite of different kind of scenario. So we just create here a simple and very great in place controller. Of course, I add some advanced blender space, so whenever player move, it's really look like a root motion controller type. So I'll teach you how to make advanced in place controller in this series also. And we create basic inventory system, three weapon swap system, like we can pick three guns, or three weapons, and we can swap them. And of course, different weapon, different damage. Sniper can give a high damage, rifle can give a less damage, and pick up item from the floor, or if you can kill any enemy, and it will leave their weapon, or it will leave their pickup. You can pick that pickup with animation. Actually, a lot of people ask me, how can I pick pick the item from the floor with the animation? So I teach you how to pick from the floor with animation. Okay. And player die and respawn system, of course, save game system, and game setting like start game, continue game, load game type of stuff. And of course we will add minimap also, and soon we add more systems in upcoming series. So basically the first requirement is um, from here to here. Okay, let's begin. Jump into tutorial. And sorry if my English is not if you my English is really not very good, so uh, I apologize for that also. Okay. um, Here I already put animation, like moment. I already import moment pro, rifle pro, and both are actually when you import from market to your project, add to your project, it will give you its own mesh. And I don't want this mesh anymore, because you just delete this. I tell you why. When you delete this, it show blah blah blah, this all animation will use this. Then delete. I don't want this mesh. Same, go into movement, there is also a mesh, just delete this mesh also. It will also pop up a message. Yeah, just delete. Actually we use only this mesh here. Here's the main hero of our game. I use third person template, and I name it project alpha shooter, and you can name whatever you like. So I use totally third person template, which is come from Unreal. And basically we just make some folders over here. Right click, make animation, so, and put all the animation into this animation folder. And one more thing, I import one animation from Unreal anim set, which is very good. I like this animation. Pick up gun from the back. Cobalt has also already have equip and unequip animation, but I like this because it is look good in weapon swapping. When it's done, I will tell you. It takes a little bit time, so okay, come on. It clean everything and move everything into this folder, so it take time. Oh my god, it's really take time, because both folder have a lot of animations. So can I pause? No, no, it's okay. Oh man, clean up, because I can't do anything right now, because system is totally hanged. I think this is the last. Clean up all assets. Okay, come on, Unreal. Come on. Too fast. kind of annoying me. Make it quick. Okay, okay. Everything is okay. Did you see this? This gave us problem. We already move here, and but everything is from here. As we have left this folder, and when we delete, it will show the errors also. So if it can't delete from here, we can go into the game folder. We will go into the game folder. Did you see? I delete, it won't delete. A lot of time you face this problem. So what you can do, right click from any folder, right click this folder, because I want to delete this, and just like go into show and explorer window. Okay, go into content. This is the main game project. We want delete both. Right click, delete permanently. Okay, now you delete this, it will delete. Okay, this is the bug. I don't know why Unreal need to solve this. It bugged me a lot. So okay, so move this into animation although. Okay, now we solve this black kind of thing, because it don't understand which skeleton it use, because we delete come with this, we just need to retarget this into our mannequin. Just wait a second, go into meshes, unreal mesh. Okay, not this mesh, mannequin mesh. Right click, and we just rename this. I just rename it, which I remember, of course, as G skeleton, and name it as G mesh. So it'll, I remember this name always. So go into animation, right click, retarget skeleton, just click the third person and in a mesh, and right click. We already delete this, so all black thing kind of, because we need to assign a skeleton. So right click, retarget all with our SG skeleton mesh, so it show everything. Just right click, save all. A little bit take time, and remove root motion animation, because we don't want root motion, we don't want this animations. So just right click, delete every root motion. Okay, it takes a little bit time, bear with me. I think this video go long, because deleting and folder moving and here there takes a lot of time. No problem. Okay, same, we want all animation, black animation in movement and impro. We just click all, right click, and retarget the skeleton on existing anim asset. Right click, choose your main third person skeleton, which is this. just right click and just retarget all, save all. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, okay, everything is safe. And one more thing, right click and make some color because I love colors. I like animation color red, and you can make color green also. And this is third person. Change. You can change the name. Rename is game blueprint. This is the game blueprint. Okay, no problem. I don't know, sometimes F2 not working. I don't know what this error come from. Don't worry. Right click. This is a blueprint, so we can give color like blue. Okay, everything is on weapon is bad thing, so we can color like black. So our weapons is black now. Okay, so right now what we do, delete this tutorial. I don't like this. Okay, map map color is kind of yellow. Blueprint. Okay, so change the name of your character which you remember easily. I like SG because this is my name, Sagar. So a lot of people ask me what is SG creation. Actually, SG creation is Sagar creation. Just joking. Okay, just change the game mode and which is come with third person template. Rename this both blueprints and right click, make one new blueprint called controller. We need a controller. Right click, controller. Oh sorry, no, here is a player controller. Sometimes I'm do stupid things. SG controller, SG controller. What? Actually my typing speed is so slow. Okay, now what we do, right click, open this SG character, and here right click, and when sometime it's open like this, sometime it's open like this, just go into here, and here is a AI controller class. Just use your own controller, SG controller, and just compile and save, close. We use our own controller. Okay, so right click and create one, save game blueprint. We name same, of course, SG, save game, save game. Okay, so everything is okay. Now we need a blank spaces which to which we have or not. Yes, we have already its own blank space, a classic moment strip, but I want to I give you the main. Actually I want to make it new, not use this one. I'm not using this one, so go into here. No, okay, go into here, right click and make one anim, our own anim instance, or we can just choose from this anim instance. We can edit this because it is already made for us, so we save sometimes. So this is on anim bp, just rename it your own. Okay, then we don't use this walk, you know, because I don't like his standing position. I don't know why. I don't sometimes did you see this, this will always like this, and when you find something it won't give you that. That is because it will open in separate window. If you put like drag, you know, drag and drop over here, so right click and over here, so when you just click this button it will pop back to you where that find things. So this is a simple tip. So actually I don't like this position, idle position, you know. Look at this, how he walks, and you know, he walks like he run. So basically I don't like this animations, but thanks, it's a free animation. I love Unreal stuff, so no problem. Just click over here, it will pop like this. So okay, we create one our own blend space. So go into pp, create everything in this folder. So I do not forget it, we give it a color dark blue. Okay, right click, make one blend space, this blend space. Okay, and use our own skeleton, SG skeleton. Okay, ideal. Ideal. Walk. Oh, run. My typing speeds is so slow, so please forgive me. Display editor in vertically because I don't like horizontally. Click over here, and x-axis label is speed. Okay, and we use 4 division, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 division. Okay, and speed 0, of course 0, and this is 100. X is 0 here to here, so we use 600. Apply parameter, if you forget this it will mess up around or mess up thing. So just click apply, it will, you know, show your speed and your values. So now what we do, just type ideal, simple ideal. Where is ideal? Yeah, here it is. Put here, he's look like human now, and we want walk forward, not crouch walk. uh, Walk forward loop, ideal, and in 300 speed it will go like this, walk and run. Where is run? Run, not forward, run forward. Okay, so like this. Okay, just save it. Click over the over this window as G, it will take you directly into in anim graph. So just compile, it will pop like a robot. It will, so ideal, type your own name which we create just put here and just plug it here and this. So when you compile, it will now look like good. And just uh, go into here and just try this. Now he looks like good. He feel now, but he he can just start running, because by default editor, default character editor, the walk character movement walk speed is set to 600. So we just put over 300 because we want to move this character, not run. But when we press shift, or we can in we will do this into future. When we put when we press shift key, it will it will run. So now it's good. Okay. Okay, perfect. One more thing, I always like slightly off little bit camera, like cinematic type. So now it look good. Okay, good, very good. So save everything. I think we need to wrap this video here, because uh, it bit long. So I pause over here and we will continue this. So thank you very much to support me and see my stuff and support me. And if you want to keep touch with me, you can just join my FB page, so where I can help you and talk with you. So thank you guys. We will continue this series. Bye.